Guys, welcome to Mr. Pumpkin's Tech Blog, and today we are going to learn how to add IDM extension manually to Google Chrome. For that, open your Google Chrome browser. If you have multiple accounts signed in to Google Chrome browser, you will see this screen. Choose one of the account, then click on the three dots on the top and go to more tools and then extension. Once you are here, if you have IDM extension, it will show up here, and if it doesn't, you can add it manually by following these steps. First, enable the developer mode on the top right corner. Once you have done it, you have to go to your PC where IDM is installed. C drive, program file, Internet Download Manager, and here you have a file CRX extension file name IDM gcext.cm. Drag it to the Chrome. Once you drop it, it will ask you to add that extension to your browser. Click add extension, and your IDM extension is added to your Google Chrome. To activate it, you have to restart the Chrome browser. Once you restart the Chrome browser, choose account. Once you are here, your IDM will be activated. That's how you add IDM extension to your Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching.